YouTube, boy. It's your boy Ant-Man with another banger in this. Nah, I'm just playing. But nah, for real though, it's your boy Ant-Man in here. You know, I'm just walking y'all through a couple steps on how to get a low taper. You know, at first you see me debulk it down with my one guard, all because he got locked. So it's all different types of ways you can do a taper with certain types of hairstyles. But locks, in my opinion, when they got locks or braids, it makes it 10 times easier. But I went in with my one guard and debulked it down. You feel me? I'm gonna re-say the steps again as I'm going to the next part because I'm already done with this part right here. But I debulked it with my one guard, and I went in with my lever closed, no guard, made my first guideline, opened up the lever, made my next guideline, did a little lever play on the bottom to knock that line out, smack that one guard right back on there, make my next guideline. Then I'm playing, knocking that line out with my half guard. You can go in with the 1.5 guard to just clean up the debulk again though, but I like to use my one guard. But this is a little bit behind the scenes. You feel me? P got me right with that video. Wow, doing numbers, but that's my one guard right there, debulking it down, going with the grain instead of going against the grain with the 1.5 guard. But it's really the same thing. But now I'm going in with my one guard lever closed. That's when I was going in lever closed and I was just detailing. You can definitely detail with your one guard. Don't ever let nobody tell you can't detail. You can detail with your one guard. You just got to use them corners, man. Use them corners. You don't got to use the whole blade. Use them corners. But you feel me? This is me going back in, with the one guard again. I'm finna show y'all the little detail work I was doing. I ended up taking my guard off though. I was detailing with the one guard right here, but I ended up taking my guard off though, just because again, he got locks. So I try to get as close as to the locks as possible without digging into the locks with detailing. So you gotta make sure you get all that hair so the fade can come out crispy. Now this is my lineup prep. I usually use alcohol, but I didn't have none this time. So I just, sprayed my holding spray, knocked him down with some cold air on a blow dryer. You feel me? So, boy, let me tell you about these right here. Man, my mama got me these for Christmas. Babyless, y'all did y'all big one. Them snapback fixes, y'all did y'all big one. And all I've been using is Babyless since I started. So, I honestly love Babyless. And one day I will get that sponsor. I believe in myself. If y'all don't believe in yourself, then who will? I will get that sponsor. Mark my words. Mark my words. But as y'all can see, them some hitters. I kind of modified my blade though. I kind of put the digital gap on. I took off the blade that it came with it. I believe it came with the graphite blade, if I'm not mistaken. But I didn't really like how it just wasn't hitting the same. So I put that digital gap on there, and that's that do it. That's that do it set. You hear me? That's that do it. But you feel me? This is me keeping the C cups. Somebody pushed my man's back on this side. Like, I thought I was tripping at first when I was cutting his hair, but he really was pushed back on this side, so I really had to be careful. Like, I really had to stay to the edges. Like, as you can see, I'm barely going into his hair because he was pushed back. I'm looking at the hairs that are growing in. So that's very important as a barber. You have to pay attention to detail because you can really mess somebody up if you don't. So you got to pay attention to detail. You got to pay attention to the hair growth pattern and the way the hair grows. But, this is just me lining them up. I had to ghost it right here, so I had to go over it a couple times just to get that ghost line so I can actually see what I'm doing. You feel me? But just because somebody pushed him back don't mean he ain't gonna be crispy. So I had to go in with that razor. What do you be saying? The sharpest razor? Nah, I'm just playing. But for real though, hitting with that razor, that's that sharp boy. That's that do it. You feel me? Like, it's gonna get him righteous. My man wanted enhancement, so you know what I had to do. I had to pull that razor out, make sure that natural line was straight before I even dare to spray some black spray on there. And you don't want to cake up the hair with black spray. You want to still make it look natural. That's what a lot of barbers don't understand. They just want to make the hairline so crispy that they cake it up with enhancements, which is cool if your client like that. But if they don't, make it natural. In order for me to make natural, I like to use the black spray, but then I mix it with the hair fiber so it can really make it look natural. Y'all gonna see when y'all gonna see. But I ended up getting my hair cut by him too. So this my barber, It's my barber, I'm his barber. He's smiling. He ain't smiled the whole video. Now he's smiling because he know he crispy. You ready? But nah, for real though. Let me know what y'all think about this haircut though. Like, you know, he wanted a little low taper. That's what I gave him. I feel like I executed. I feel like I did my due diligence and made him, yeah. Now he finna take that trip to Target, you know, for real though. But let me know what y'all think about this haircut. You know, would you get this haircut or would you even get cut by me? Hey man, it's Ant Man. Enjoy the rest of this video, man. But I definitely got him right on bro.
Knock all this shit on the floor. That's different. That's different. $500 you finna have to replace. Probably more than that.
Hey, do y'all homework on my nigga Rob, but y'all can't even see him though. No cap. No cap. I'm finna get my hair chopped. I'm gonna show y'all in a little bit, bro. I'm gonna show y'all in a little bit. On cap. I'm gonna show you. Young nigga, OG, no man, they don't. Yeah. She definitely got it right too.
Brother, how do you do it on accident?
How you do it on accident? You know, some people put peroxide in this shit or...
That bleaches it. That don't add burgundy color because you...
I look like a bald nigga from down here. So too long that she took me. Damn. Yeah. Hide your girl.